Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to do paper swan. So first we need one sheet of paper cut into a square. We will fold that into a triangle. Next, we will make another triangle by taking this corner to this corner. Next, we will again fold another triangle. We will unfold this triangle and we will fold this end to the center point. And this edge also we have to take it to the center point. Now we got like a shape of a diamond. Now we will make a small triangle on the corner. And we will make a smaller triangle in the tip. Next, we will turn it in the opposite direction. Get a swan. And then we will straighten its head a little so that it looks more like a swan. That's all. Now our swans are done. Now we can color in your own colors. You can use sketch or crayons. Now for the eyes, I'm going to give a black sketch. Then I'm using red sketch for the mouth. Next for the body, I'm going to give pink color. And the other side. And then we will I'm using the pink sketch for the inks. And then on the side. And now our swan is done. This is my swan. is also doing a swan. All done. This you can try these paper swans at home. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this channel. Please subscribe to this channel and like, share this video. See you later. Bye.